Prime Minister Narendra Modi rings up Assam Chief Minister, takes stock of flood, COVID-19 scenario, assures all possible central assistance. Assam flood situation improves. Chief Minister Horbananda Sonowal visits affected areas of Morigaon district, distributes relief. More than 1,100 new corona positive cases reported in Assam. Arunachal Pradesh extends total lockdown in Itanagar capital complex till 3rd August. Country's corona fatality rate falls below 2.5% for the first time. Union Health Minister launches plasma donation campaign in Delhi. And heritage site in memory of Khasi revolutionary U. Tirot Singh under consideration of Meghalaya government. Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the Northeast News Bulletin. This is Ajanta Chaudhary, now with the details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today called up Assam Chief Minister Horbananda Sonowal and discussed various issues, including the floods, COVID-19 and Baghjan oil well fire. Sonowal apprised Prime Minister Modi of the prevailing conditions and measures being taken by the state government. The Prime Minister said the central government is keeping a close watch on floods, erosion, COVID-19 and Baghjan situation in the state and has been standing closely with the people of Assam during these difficult times. He assured all help and cooperation from the central government in managing these challenges. On the other hand, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla also called the Assam Chief Minister to inquire about the current flood situation in the state. In Assam, the flood situation is yet to return to normal as nearly 35 lakh people have been affected due to floods in 25 districts. The government is carrying out rescue and relief measures. Official sources said 86 persons have lost their lives in the flood. 50,000 people are staying at relief camps. The flood waters caused massive damage to agricultural land, roads, embankments, bridges, wildlife parks and sanctuaries. Various agencies have evacuated 76,000 people to safer places. Meanwhile, Assam Chief Minister Horbananda Sonowal today visited flood-hit areas of Morigaon district, accompanied by Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare Piyush Hazarika and MLA Ramakanta Deori. He distributed relief among the affected people. He paid ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees each to next of kin of 2 persons who had lost their lives in the disaster. He also distributed Android mobile handsets to 18 village headmen. In Assam, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma in a tweet has informed that 1,117 new COVID-19 positive cases have been detected in the state, of which 515 were from Guwahati city alone. Now, the total number of cases in the state is 22,981 with 53 deaths. In Arunachal Pradesh, there are 650 total confirmed cases with 3 deaths reported. In Manipur, total confirmed cases is 1,819 with no death reported. In Meghalaya, total number cases is 450 with 4 deaths. In Mizoram, the number is 284 with no casualty. In Nagaland, the number is 978 with 0 casualty. In Sikkim, the number of confirmed cases is 275 with 0 casualty. And in Tripura, the number is 2,654 with 3 deaths reported. Arunachal Pradesh government has extended complete lockdown in the Itanagar capital complex region till the 3rd of August. This was informed by State Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar in a virtual press conference today. Kumar said the decision has been taken in view of the surge in COVID cases in the capital in the last 2 weeks. Arunachal Pradesh has recorded 650 COVID positive cases as of now, of which active cases stand at 373. 274 have recovered and 3 have died. In Assam, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, on a visit to Tinsukia today, reviewed the measures taken by the Tinsukia District Health Department to contain the spread of coronavirus. But a review meeting scheduled to be held later was cancelled as Deputy Commissioner Bhaskar Pegu tested positive for COVID-19. MLA Bolin Setia accompanied the minister during the visit. In Meghalaya, fear of community spread has gripped Ri-Bhoi district after 5 people tested positive for COVID-19 from Baridwa areas. Talking to media persons in Shillong, Dr. Aman War, Director Health Services MI, said the department suspects that there could be a community spread of the virus in these areas, but it has not received any report from the state surveillance team of Ri-Bhoi district on it. According to Dr. War, there could be community spread in Khanapara, 13 Mile, 9th Mile, 6 Mile and Baridwa areas after 5 people tested positive. He informed that the contact tracing in these areas is going on in full swing.
Kini 9 mile, 10 mile, Baridwa, index case normal 2 di battery ko factory. Index case to balik asuma sa.
The union government today said a total of 6,77,856 people affected with coronavirus have recovered in the country so far, and with this, the recovery rate reached 62.86%. In the past 24 hours, a record 23,672 people have recovered. Presently, the total number of active corona cases in the country is 3,73,379. The Health and Family Welfare Ministry said a total of 38,902 new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the country in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases to 10,78,782. This is the highest spike in fresh cases reported in one day since the outbreak of the pandemic in India. In a single day, 565 deaths have also been reported, taking the nationwide toll to 26,838. The government today said that India's case fatality rate of COVID-19 has fallen below 2.5% for the first time. The Union Health Ministry said India is one of the lowest fatality rates in the world. Meanwhile, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harsh Vardhan today inaugurated a plasma donation campaign jointly organized by Delhi Police at AIIMS, New Delhi. 26 police personnel donated plasma during the campaign today. Terming the donors as plasma warriors, the minister said plasma donation will develop as a movement in the country and it will have a far-reaching effect. He said anyone who has recovered from the coronavirus can donate plasma twice in a month. Across the globe, countries from the US to South Africa to Australia are struggling to hold down rising cases of the coronavirus as deaths from COVID-19 surged past 6,01,549 in a sign of how far off the world remains from a return to normalcy. The United States tops the list with 1,40,119 deaths, followed by 78,772 in Brazil and 45,358 in the United Kingdom and 38,888 in Mexico. The number of confirmed infections worldwide has passed 1 crore 42 lakh, of which 37 lakh are in the United States. Prime Minister Narendra Modi continues to be the world's top favorite leader on Twitter with 60 million followers. Modi's Twitter account surpassed the 60 million mark today, reaffirming him as the most followed Indian leader across the globe. He is also among the few global leaders after former United States President Barack Obama and his successor Donald Trump to cross the 60 million mark in terms of followers on his social media account. The Meghalaya government is examining the idea of building a heritage site in the name of U. Tirot Singh, the Khasi revolutionary fighter. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said the government is setting up various tourism circuits across the state and the centre has also accepted the responsibility of providing fund to Meghalaya for the development of tourism. Sangma was speaking on the sidelines of a function organised in Shillong to observe the 185th death anniversary of U. Tirot Singh. A special program was organised by the National People's Youth Front at the State Convention Centre, where Sangma was the chief guest.
हमने अलग-अलग प्रोग्राम्स बनाए हैं और मैं भारत सरकार का भी मैं अभी धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि उन्होंने काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया और स्वदेश दर्शन के जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स उन्होंने डाले वो सब उनको क्लियर किया, और मुझे विश्वास है कि एक बार ये इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएंगे तो आगे भी हम और स्वदेश दर्शन के प्रोग्राम्स हम लोग लेंगे.
And finally, to end the news, the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi rings up Assam Chief Minister, takes stock of flood, COVID-19 scenario, assures all possible central assistance. Assam flood situation improves. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal visits affected areas of Morigaon district, distributes relief. More than 1,100 new corona positive cases reported in Assam. Arunachal Pradesh extends total lockdown in Itanagar capital complex till 3rd August. Country's corona fatality rate falls below 2.5% for the first time. Union Health Minister launches plasma donation campaign in Delhi. And heritage site in memory of Khasi revolutionary U. Tirot Singh under consideration of Meghalaya government. And that brings us to the end of this evening's bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Namaskar.